It is late January, but it is starting to feel a little bit like spring. New plants are sending up flower spikes. The grass is greening just a little bit. Calendula is blooming. And there's all sorts of insects wanting to come out in these warmer days. This year, I am trying out some covering on my winter green crops to keep the insects at bay just a little bit. And I think it's worked out, even though it seems to have been a bit of a pain to maintain. I am enjoying trying that out and trying to pull weeds when I can. And this is my lettuce. My lettuce is doing really well. I sowed it a little bit late, but because I had all of my cabbages frozen in the December hard freeze, I had to kind of start over. So that's been a little bit frustrating. My kale looks fantastic though, and I've got radishes and giant mustard and some walking onions going. And honestly, I need to harvest the kale. It's beyond time to have some kale salad. I'm hoping the mustard greens will do well and I can have those here shortly, and the walking onions here in the later spring. Now, I really wanted to keep the bugs off of my kale this year, and especially off of the mustard. The mustard always seems to get attacked, and you can tell I missed some spots and covering, so some caterpillars have gotten it. But it's been gorgeous out lately. Really perfect weather. We have some colder days, some warmer days. As long as we don't have any hard freezes and the heat doesn't come on too soon, it's been pretty pleasant out there in the garden, and I'm looking forward to February happening and getting into March and having some nice vegetables growing. And always like and subscribe, and you can listen to the podcast, gardenpathpodcast.com.